What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews. Today, I'll reviewing Alluxe ICO. Now, this ICO focus on the people who want luxury things, luxury apartment, hotel. They want a yacht, they want a plane, and all the rest. They will be able to request for that on Alluxe, and they will be able to pay through cryptocurrency. Now, let me show you the Bitcoin talk page to make it clearer to you. Let me scroll down and you can see yacht, private jet, luxury real estate and hotels, luxury watches, motorbikes, helicopter, no, sport cars, jewelries, and all the rest. Now let's go into the website. Now they have 2 days left for the pre-sale. The pre-sale is still live. You get 21% for the pre-sale. Then after 2 days, then the main ICO will start. Scroll down, and these are the social icon. You can see the Telegram, Bitcoin Talk, Twitter, and all the rest. You can go through that in your free time. I love the website, carefully put together. You can see different categories of purchase or rent you can go for on it. And they say geographic presence and business scaling. The map shows the regions where our loss is present and the locations where active work is carried out to place and expand the partners network. You can see, so they are working already. This is a working platform. This is a working platform. This is the token. Details of the supply of our token, Alluxe coin, and token sale. Now you can get all the information here. Alluxe is the Alluxe own cryptocurrency designed to simplify the standard approach to renting and buying luxury property, as well as to increase the security of transaction. Use Alluxe along with other major cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services. So that's the coins they are using. The purpose, the standard, the adjustment, and all the rest. Everything's available here. Now this is it. The pre-sale, private sale is 40% bonus, the pre-sale is 25, and the token sale. And you can note now that August 12th they start the pre-sale, and the token sale start from August 23 and end September 26. This is why they plan to distribute the token. And now the is the exchange 1 Ethereum 2500 LXC. Or could they accept Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dash? The soft cap they hope to achieve is 1.8 million, and the hard cap is 16.5 million US dollars. You can see here the distribution to the team member, 10% for bounty for advisors, and the rest. You can see the advantage of the token. Now, ability to make both internal and external settlements between the members of Alluxe platform. Better offers when paying with Alluxe token. Now, loyalty and cashback program for big transactions and purchases in LXC, that is the Alluxe token. So, when people use this token on the platform to rent apartments, maybe in a hotel in Silicon Valley, in Beverly Hills, Hong Kong, or all these expensive spots, they get a cash back from it, and it's easier for them or cheaper for them to use the token. This is the roadmap. You can see the roadmap. Now let's see the team member. These are the advisors: Anderson Lansing, Navin Kampol, and all the rest. These are the advisors, and this is the team: Dimitri Libet, Micah Eve, and all the rest. You can see now. You can view the whole team here. You can see all of them one after another. You can see them here. And I think these guys are Russians. If I'm right, they are Russians. So, and maybe some of them may be Ukrainian. I don't know. because I know some of these Kukuku, Shevchenko, and all the rest, maybe Ukrainian, if I'm right. So now that is that for now. Let's go to the white paper. Now I love the white paper, beautiful and nice. And as I always do, I always make sure the white paper, I verify it. I'm sure it is unique, it is original, it is not copy and paste. And I can tell you, this white paper you are seeing here is genuine from them. And that matters. If it's kind of ICO does not really have time for preparing all this white paper and all the rest, most of them just do some copy and paste and just put things together. Their goal is to raise money, not to give anything out to the people. So, but when an ICO has a unique white paper, that tells that they know what they are doing. So, always go through the white paper of an ICO. Go through it, read it. That tells you the future of the coin, what they hope to achieve, the solutions to a particular problem, and you can tell about the team member if they don't really know what they are doing by reading the white paper. Now the Telegram 39,749, they've not even started their real ICO, they are still in pre-sale. You can see the number of people in the Telegram, and I believe hopefully by the time they will enter the main ICO sale, this number, you won't see it here, it should be maybe a few thousand or more. My own view anyway, my own view. So this is Twitter. This is it. They have 12,000 followers on Twitter. And now when I show you, I show you the team member. I'll show you the team member. These are the advisors. You can see, let's see Dimitri Libed and Mikhail, all these guys here. So let's see, are they real? Are they real people? Let's see this.
Всем привет, меня зовут Дмитрий, я основатель компании Alluxe.
Меня зовут Михаил, я технический директор и сооснователь проекта Alluxe.
У нас для вас отличная новость. Мы запустили публичную продажу токенов Alluxe.
Было проделано огромное количество работы, и хочется выразить особую признательность сообществу, которое поддерживает нас и вдохновляет идти вперед. Вы в начале пути, и самое интересное только начинается.
И именно сейчас мы предлагаем самые выгодные условия для участия в проекте с ограниченным во времени бонусом 25%.
С этого момента мы запускаем реферальную программу, которая позволит получить дополнительные бонусы вам и тем, кого вы вдохновите присоединиться к проекту Alluxe.
Alluxe предоставляет следующее преимущество для держателей токенов LuxCoin.
So now, why I'm playing the video for you is to be able to see that these guys are real. If they could show themselves, I am really interested about that in an ICO. The team member can make a video of themselves. You can see them. Then it makes it genuine and real. It makes it real, you know. So these are the guy. I mean, I think they speak Russian. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this may be Russian, I guess. And so, but it's translated into English. So, if you speak the language, you'll be able to understand them. But good enough, you have it in English, you can understand whatever they say here through the transcription here. So everything is transcription. And this is Dimitri, and this is Mikhail. So let's go back here. This is Dimitri, this is Mikhail. You can see real. Now let's check the Lenza ranking. Wow, more visitors. Most of the visitors are from Ukraine, so maybe that's, I think Ukraine is close to Russia. I mean, I think some people speak Russian in Ukraine too, so that may be one of the reasons why more people from Ukraine are checking the website. So Alluxe.io, this is the who is and the details about them, and yeah, register here in Russia. Yeah, so you can see now, put all these pieces together. What is my view? You know, I love this ICO. These people are real. The wallpaper is genuine. This is not a scam as far as I know. But please, I'm not your financial advisor. Make your decision. Do what you want to do. And I'm going to leave the link of the website down. Just click on it and subscribe and sign up for the ICO. For me, I'm going on for this ICO. I'm really bullish about this ICO. I love it. It's real, and you know, more people getting rich these days. Take it or leave it. Of course, people are getting poor, but a lot of people are getting rich. And just one transaction, somebody renting a hotel in Silicon Valley, somebody buying a house in Hong Kong or whatever, in just one transaction, that is huge money. So if these team members work together, I can tell you the value of this token should be able to increase. I'm not a financial advisor anyway. I'm just telling you what I think. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you a million times. But please wait, don't go. Please don't go. Before you go, please just click on subscribe. Just click on subscribe. Just hit it and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.